There's an AI side hustle right now making regular people $10,000 a month. No coding required, no tech background, no experience needed. I'm not talking about some get rich quick scheme. I'm talking about a proven business model that's generated over $1.5 million in revenue. And the crazy part, I didn't build any software. I didn't hire any developers. I didn't write any code. I just discovered a model that lets regular people sell software to local businesses and collect monthly recurring payments without ever building anything. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this works, the model, why local businesses are paying for it, how to set it up, how to pick the right industry, how to find customers, how to price your packages. You'll have the complete blueprint. Now, before we dive in, I want to give you something for free. I built a complete community where you can ask me questions and connect with other people. Running this side hustle right now, I created a free course that walks you through every step. And I host weekly coaching calls where I personally help you launch, all free. Just comment Whitelabel below and I'll send you everything. Or click the first link in the description to get instant access. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you the exact pricing strategy that's allowed me to scale to over 1,400 paying customers. Let's get into it. Let me start by explaining exactly what this side hustle is. It's called Whitelabel SaaS. Now, I know that sounds technical, so let me break it down the simplest way possible. Have you ever taken an Uber? Of course you have. Here's something most people don't think about. The Uber driver doesn't own Uber. They didn't build the app. They didn't write the code. They didn't create the platform. Uber built all of that. The driver just shows up, uses Uber's existing system, and collects money for every ride. The driver doesn't need to be a tech expert. They just need to know how to drive and where to find customers. Whitelabel SaaS works the same way. There's a company that built the perfect software for local businesses. It does everything: customer management, email marketing, text message automation, online booking, funnel builder, website builder, review management, even AI agents. That company is called GoHighLevel. And here's the crazy part. They let regular people put their own brand on their software and resell it. You don't build anything. You don't create anything. You just rebrand their software, sell it to local businesses, and collect monthly payments. Just like an Uber driver uses Uber's platform to make money, you use GoHighLevel's platform to make money. The technical work is done. Your only job is finding customers and selling. Now let me show you why this is the perfect side hustle for 2026. Most side hustles have a major problem. You trade time for money. If you stop working, the money stops. DoorDash, Uber, freelancing. The moment you stop, income disappears. Whitelabel SaaS is different. When someone signs up for your software, they don't just pay you once. They pay you every single month for as long as they use it. This is called recurring revenue, and it's the most powerful type of income on the planet. Let me show you the math. You sign up one customer, paying you $300 a month. That's $3,600 a year. 5 customers, $18,000 a year. 10 customers, $36,000 a year. 20 customers, $72,000 a year. And here's the best part. Once you sign them up, they keep paying month after month. You don't have to keep selling. You just have to keep them happy. GoHighLevel does the technical part. You collect the money. This is why I call it the perfect side hustle. You can start in your spare time, you can scale on your own schedule. And once it's running, it generates income even when you're not working. That's the dream most people are chasing, and this model delivers it. Let me show you exactly how I did this. I took GoHighLevel software, put my own logo on it, and called it Funnel Freedom. I didn't build anything. I just rebranded their existing platform. Then I started selling it to entrepreneurs and coaches. Today, people pay me anywhere from $97 to $497 a month. I currently have over 1,400 paying members. And because of those numbers, GoHighLevel awarded me something called the Diamond Award. Now, you might not know what that is. The Diamond Award is the highest honor GoHighLevel gives out people who resell their software. You only get it when you have over 1,000 paying customers on your platform. I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this so you know this model works. This isn't theory. This is real money from real customers paying every single month. Now you might be thinking, Jonathan, that's great for you. What if I'm just starting out? Here's the truth. I started this from scratch too. Model works the same way. Whether you have one customer, the key is picking the right niche and getting started. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Biggest mistake people make in this business is trying to sell to everyone. They make their website say, we help small businesses grow. Generic. Boring, forgettable. Winners do something different. They pick a niche. A niche just means one specific industry or type of business that you focus on. Instead of selling general business software, you sell software specifically for one industry. Let me show you why this works. Imagine you're a chiropractor. 2 companies are offering you software. Company A says, we help small businesses grow. Company B says, we help chiropractors get more new patients, reduce missed appointments, and automate their follow-up. Which one are you calling Company B every single time? Because Company B understands you. That's the power of picking a niche. Here are the best niches for this business: chiropractors, dentists, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, roofers, HVAC companies, med spas, real estate agents, gym owners, restaurants. Pick one. Don't try to do all of them. When you pick one industry, you can build templates specifically for them. For chiropractors, you build a new patient intake funnel, a missed appointment follow-up, a Google review automation. When a chiropractor signs up, they get all of this preloaded. They don't have to set anything up. You're not just selling software. You're selling a complete business solution. That's the difference between charging $97 a month and charging $497 a month. Specialization is what gets paid. Now let's talk about finding customers. This is where most people get stuck. You've picked your niche. You've set up your software. Now what? I'm going to give you 2 strategies that work right now. Strategy number 1 is the Facebook ads library method. Here's how it works. Facebook has a free tool where you can see every ad any business is currently running. You go to facebook.com/ads/library. Then you search for businesses in your niche. Let's say you picked chiropractors. Type in chiropractor and your city. Facebook will show you every chiropractor who's currently spending money on ads. These are gold. Why? Because they're already investing in their business. They know they need more customers. They're already spending money to grow. They're the perfect prospects. Now you reach out to them. You can call, email, or message them through their website. Here's what you say. Hey, I noticed your Facebook ad for your chiropractic practice. Quick question. When someone clicks your ad and fills out your form, how fast does someone reach out to them? Most will say within a few hours. Then you say, what if I told you you could respond to every lead in 30 seconds automatically, plus book them on your calendar, plus follow up for weeks, all without you doing anything. Want me to show you how? That's it. You're not selling software, you're solving their biggest problem. Strategy number 2 is what really took my side hustle to a full-time business, the live demo webinar. Once a week, I run a free training webinar. I show people exactly how the software works. I demo the funnels. I demo the email automation. I demo the calendar booking. I demo the AI lead responder. Then at the end, I make an offer. The reason this works so well is because most people don't buy software just from a sales call. They buy when they see it work. A live demo is 10 times more powerful than any sales pitch. Plus, with one webinar, you can sign up 10, 20, even 50 customers at once. That's $4,000 to $20,000 in new monthly recurring revenue. This is exactly how I scaled to over 1,400 members, live demos every single week. Now let's talk about pricing. This is what I teased at the beginning, the exact pricing strategy. That took me to over 1,400 paying customers. You want 3 tiers, 3 different packages at 3 different price points. Here's why. Different customers have different budgets. Some want to start small. Some want everything. If you only have one price, you lose customers who would have paid more or less. 3 tiers gives you flexibility. Tier 1 is your starter plan. Charge $97 a month. Include the basics, the customer management tool, the booking calendar, basic email marketing. This is your entry-level offer. Tier 2 is your standard plan. Charge $297 a month. Everything in starter, plus AI lead responders, text message automation, funnel and website builder, and review management. This is where most of your customers land. Most people choose the middle option because it feels like the best value. Tier 3 is your premium plan. Charge $497 a month. This is everything. Full software, done for you templates, priority support, maybe even monthly group coaching. Premium customers stick around the longest and they pay you the most. Now here's the move. That changes everything. Offer a yearly plan too. Take your $297 monthly plan and offer it as $2,970 a year. That's 2 months free. When someone buys the yearly plan, you get $2,970 up front. That single sale covers your entire cost. This is how you grow fast. Now do the math with me. 20 customers at $300 a month average. That's $6,000 in monthly recurring revenue, $72,000 a year. Your cost? $497 a month for GoHighLevel. That's it. $5,500 a month in profit from a side hustle that mostly runs itself once it's set up. This is what's possible when you build it right. This is the side hustle that turned into a full-time business. Local businesses are spending billions on software they don't fully use. They want one platform that does everything, and they'll pay you every single month. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to write any code. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need the right software, the right niche, and the right strategy to find customers. That's exactly what I'm giving you for free. I built a complete community where you can ask me questions and connect with other people running this side hustle. I created a full course that walks you through every single step, how to set up your software, how to pick your niche, how to brand it, how to price it, how to run your demo webinars, how to find your first customers, all free. I also host weekly coaching calls where I personally help you launch and grow. To get all of this, comment white label below or click the first link in the description and I'll send you everything instantly. If you want to actually start your business, GoHighLevel is offering a 30-day free trial through my link. That gives you a full month to set up your software before you pay a single dollar. You can grab that through the second link in the description. This side hustle changed my life. It can change yours too. The only question is, are you going to take action? I'll see you in the next one.